Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be sharing some very quick and simple farmhouse home decor DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. By the way, I will be announcing the winner of the $50 Amazon gift card in the end of this video, so stay tuned. For the first step, I just spray painted the glass jar with some spray paint and let it dry outside for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the spray paint was done drying, I just went ahead and added some twine on the bottom of the glass jar and on the top as well. I decided to use some lamb ears and some lavender together since spring is just around the corner. On the second DIY, I made sure to measure the craft sticks before I cut them. To just give it a little more detail, I just went ahead and added some ivory chalk paint. Next up, I just went ahead and added the buttons onto the heart.
You're like a river in the dark. You stare me right, you lit the spark. And I can feel you tearing down every wall. Come one, come all. You're like an early morning breeze. Your soft red lips and gentle tease. You must have been.
To give it the final touch, I just made a tiny bow with some twine.
Come one, come all. Just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. My eyes are.
For the third DIY, I just painted the back of the sign with some ivory chalk paint.
Through the fields of young romance and under blue skies with an open glance.
For the love sign, I decided to use a black spray paint, and I will be just letting it dry outside for 10 to 15 minutes. To make the sign a little more de-stressed, I just sanded the edges down with a sand block.
You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. My eyes are set on you.
To cover the letter O of the love sign, I just used some lamb ears.
We can go wherever. We can be whoever. You and me. Just when I need you.
With some twine, I just made 2 bows combined together so I can put it on the center of the sign.
Till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. And my eyes are set on you.
For the last and final DIY, I just went ahead and added these heart stickers I got from the Dollar Tree onto the pot.
Beauty in the mundane.
Next step, I just gently added some chalk paint onto the pot, and I will be removing the stickers and adding a little bit more chalk paint onto the heart shapes.
There's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Like I said, I will be announcing the winner of the $50 Amazon gift card. And also, I wanted to thank every single one of you guys who participated and always support my channel. It really means so much to me. So the winner of the giveaway is Michelle S. She commented, "I loved how all your crafts were so easy to do. I really loved the heart dish with the roses." Thank you so much, Michelle. I will be leaving you a comment so I can get more information to send you your gift card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. God bless.